Me need 3 fork, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen at the place where me speed on. Cook, give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vibes of the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when Stella make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road our time. Lace up me clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active, you fi join.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, and for this video I'm going to be making some peanut porridge. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So to make our porridge we need peanuts. I have ground peanuts and whole raw peanuts. It has to be raw peanuts. I also have some Lasco, is peanut and vanilla, and this is optional. You don't have to add Lasco, just me. For me, it improves the taste. You need salt, vanilla. I use coconut milk, but that is also optional. Evaporated milk, condensed milk, and cinnamon. Okay, so the first step is to blend the peanuts, and to this I'm going to add my evaporated milk, and I'm also going to add the coconut milk and the Lasco. There you have it. And I use the whole can of evaporated milk. This is what the mixture will look like, and as you can see, it's extremely creamy and smooth. Some people like it a little bit more gritty, I guess. I prefer it a little bit smoother because I don't like having to chew the peanuts while I'm drinking. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do, you're going to boil some water. You're going to add some salt. And you're also going to add some vanilla. Next, I'm going to add some cinnamon. For you can add however much you want to add, but for me, I'm not a big fan of cinnamon, so I'm not going to add a lot. Okay, so once your water starts to boil, then you're going to go ahead and add the blended mixture. And you're just going to keep stirring until it starts boiling again. If you do not stir until it starts boiling again, then you're going to end up with clumps in your porridge. So the more you stir, the better your porridge will be, the more smooth it will be. Okay, so now that it's boiling again, I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook. And we're cooking on medium heat. Alright, so with peanut porridge, it's not like your cornmeal porridge or your oatmeal porridge where it will get thick by itself. The peanut porridge needs a little bit of help. So this is the trick. You can either add a few tablespoons of flour while you're blending the cornmeal, or you can add the flour to a cup, add some water, and then mix it. And there you have it. If it is your first time making the porridge, I would suggest blending it while you're blending the peanut to make it a little bit easier for you. Okay? And I'm just going to go ahead and pour the mixture in. As you can see, it's getting thicker. Make sure you're stirring occasionally so you don't end up with clumps. Now, I'm going to go ahead and mix it. And to do that, we need our condensed milk. And I'm also going to grate some nutmeg in the porridge. Now after you mix these two in, you go ahead and taste and add more condensed milk as needed.
Vibes kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread.